My first available opening to look at your Honda CR-V would be next Thursday. It would take approximately 4 hours to look at the car and then run the diagnostics. We may be able to get the work done in one day, but if we have to order any parts, I cannot guarantee that. The cost of a new starter for that make and model of your car is $189, and labor is approximately $250 if there are no other issues with the car. Yes, we can check the brakes while we have it on the lift. The cost to install a set of front or rear brakes will be approximately $400 for each set of brakes.